Hey, this is Craig from InnovateMediaPublishing.com. Thanks for signing up for this 5-minute video that explains the critical components that you need for a successful online marketing website. Now, I'd like to take a look at how many people are searching for your business every month, but without knowing which business you're in, I can't really do that. But what I can do is just have a general look at the plumbing niche in London. And what we're going to do is just have a look at how many people are searching for that type of business every month. If you decide to do business with us, we will look specifically at your business and target that. But here we're going to look at plumbing. Now just take a look at this. This is a list of keywords that have been typed into Google. London plumbing, London 24-hour plumbers, 24-hour plumbers London, London emergency plumbers. If we take a look over here under local monthly searches, just look at these numbers. Look at how many people are actually typing this in and looking for London-based plumbers. Now the search term London plumbing at the top here, 18,100 local monthly searches. That's 18,100 people typing in London plumbing into Google. And look at this, 24-hour plumber London, 320 people. 24-hour plumbers London, 480 people every month typing that into Google. Emergency plumbers London, 4,400. Now, these people are hot buyers. They are typing this keyword into Google because they actually need a plumber. These ones might need an emergency plumber. And there's a list of keywords here that people are searching for. And there is literally thousands of searches going on every month for this type of business. But for every type of business. Now, what we need to know is how many of these people are clicking through to your website. People are typing these phrases into Google, so it gives us a good indication of the marketplace. But how many of these people are leaving their name and email address at your website? How many of these people are asking you for quotes or booking appointments with you? Do these people find you on Google at the moment? Let's take a look at a website that has all the components necessary for a successful online marketing campaign. We've actually used the website for this presentation. Now this is the website we're using in this particular instance. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to go to a blog post here. Now this is the site incorporates a blog to make it dynamic. Make sure it's not a static website. Dynamic is the way to go nowadays. And you'll be able to update easily these blog posts or outsource to us if you want us, but you'll be able to do it yourselves if that's what you require. Now this website has a professional look and feel, so we can get your site looking as good as this really quickly. You can maintain the content yourself if you choose, or as I've just said, you can outsource that to us. But the site has really been designed for lead generation, and you'll see on the right hand side of the site here on every page there's an opt-in form to allow your potential customers to give you their details, their name, their email address, their phone number if you want them to give you that. Now what you do is offer them something in return for their details. So that could be a discount voucher. It could be a guide to your business or your particular industry. It could be a video showing them some tips or techniques. Whatever it is, it needs to be something that they would perceive as valuable. But we can put it in the site for you exactly the same as it is here. You'll collect their names and phone numbers or email addresses, and we can then set you up with an email marketing campaign, and you can put messages in there, offers and newsletters. But this call to action will be available on every page of the site. Now, before I go any further, I wanted to explain to you that we're not just web designers at Innovate Media Publishing. We understand online marketing. That's our forte. We've been doing this since 1995. Okay, so we look at what works in actual marketing, and what's not working are the old brochure type websites that just sit there on the internet, very static. Now, this site is also designed for social marketing, and that's a big thing nowadays. If you look at some of the blog posts, you will see that we've built in social marketing, and that will come in on every blog post that you make. You'll see that the Facebook like button is here, but there's hundreds of other social network icons so that the site can be shared. People visiting your website will be able to share information on all the major social networks. I'm sure you're aware that your business needs to be on Facebook nowadays. Well, we'll create your own Facebook fan page and Twitter feed. A key factor in being found on the internet and in the search engines now is Google Places. Google Places is specifically designed to help people find local businesses. And if we go to the contact page on this website, you'll see that we have Google Places enabled. This is an overall map of some of the plumbers in London. Look at the amount of competition there. If we look at these, I certainly hope you've claimed your Google Place and that you've set it up and optimized it properly. If you haven't, we can do this for you. There is specific ways to optimize your Google Place page with videos, images, but also using keywords and some other techniques. We offer our services to just one business in each niche so that we don't take away the competitive advantage. And just to explain that, our services are offered to one plumber in Lambeth, one plumber in Wandsworth, one hairdresser in Fulham, one beautician in Aldgate. So the idea is that we don't want to take away the competitive advantage. Once we're working for a client in a particular area, we like to help their business and help their business alone. And when we set up your website, this map will show only your business and information and not your competitors. And similarly, if you have a look around the website, you'll see a lot of Latin that's been used just to fill spaces on the site. These would obviously be changed for information relating to your business. Nowadays, people want information fast, and a growing number are searching for your business on their mobile phones. Many people are walking down the street and using their phones to actually find particular businesses, restaurants, whatever it is they need on their phones. And mobile searches are growing exponentially. For instance, 53% of Facebook pages are seen through mobile devices. So you need to be aware of this. We can mobile enable your website so that it renders properly on iPhones, iPads, Androids, Blackberries, or whatever else your prospects are using. When it comes to getting your site seen, your website needs to accommodate your online marketing needs for online publishing and media distribution. You need to use video nowadays, and video will certainly help your website be found. If we look at a blog post here, you can see that this is a video. I'm not going to press the play button because it's a bit loud, but you can when you have a look at the website. And these videos can easily be put into the blog. It's quite easy to embed video in the website we build you. We can help you create and embed videos, and we can carry out media distribution and make sure your videos are sent out all over the internet. And you can show videos of your work, your industry, customer testimonials and product presentations. Also, part of what you should do is to have a press release area, which we've already built into the site for you. If you have a look here, there's a news and press section. Now that's all set up with the critical elements of this website. You also need to be able to focus your advertising and send potential clients to your call to action. Again, this site is set up for that. And you need to be able to cater for reviews and feedback similar to this sort of thing. Again, if we have a look at the bottom of this blog, we will see that there is a section here which is a block quote. Now those are essential nowadays, and we can take your testimonials and put them on your website to help increase customer confidence and brand awareness. Now this has been a short presentation on the critical components of your website and what we can do for you. I want to thank you for watching this video. You'll receive your free 10-part mini online training course from us over the next 10 days. Now there's no obligation to buy anything from us, but if you'd like to increase your chances of being found on the first page of Google, please contact us, your local marketing experts, today. I'm Craig Lingard. This has been a presentation for InnovateMediaPublishing.com. Thank you for your time.